Man, what a day of trading. It seems like bears are back in business after a nice little rally to the upside on the Nasdaq and ES. Don't forget, you can watch live every morning at 8:20 a.m. Central Time here on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell notification. Come hang out in the stream. Let's chat. We were able to take some shorts today that netted around $1,000 of profit for our step 2 account. So let's go ahead and dive into the recap of today's stream. First things first, review the top step dashboard. Again, no trades taken off stream. All right, so we are officially halfway through step 2. We are currently at $154,456. We started at $150,000 right here. So now the only thing we need to do is hit $9,000. We're not in a rush. We're being nice and patient. Nasdaq wise, overnight session, we have a red to green move taking place. So looking at, honestly, either right before the open or at the open, looking at 58, 59 range as a target to the upside. ES kind of doing the full move right now, but that will be a red to green move. So we'll see what happens if we go green to red or not, or if we just pump out of it. Who knows? Plays above 69. Yesterday's high, I think, looks pretty nice for the run to the upside. If it stalls out here, we get some nice volume build. Probably will look for a rotation down. That's kind of where I stand on the day. Definitely feeling a little bit more chill vibes. Definitely don't want to rush it. We are right at yesterday's value area high like we were talking about. So I do want to see if we get any opportunity here into 58, 59 range, but not going to rush anything. Good luck. Let's have a day. Nice push up to 63. Again, we're kind of watching for that break of 69. All right, first 5 minutes of the day, wrapping up here. Still hanging out the 80s. Got a little bit of weak buying going on, but it doesn't mean it can't just pop. New 5-minute candle just opened up. I think new point of control probably sitting at 90. Looks like a bunch of volume up there. Yep. New point of control at 90. I like the short side here. Give myself a little bit of runway, but not too much, obviously. Looks kind of weak. I feel like if we snap 79, it's going to have a nice little rotation down. This is that level that I was kind of just talking about, 78, 79. I'm just going to go and kill that trade. Take my little bit of money. I feel like shorting on that type of move, I just need to be a little bit quicker on the exit typically. One, y'all know, I like longs just in general. But two, we had a nice move to the downside. We were kind of hanging out at the level I had just called out. So I decided to just go ahead and kill that trade. Netted about, what is that? 14 points. $276. And then there we go. We were running up to 820. So happy I took that trade off. Dropped some little bags. Nice test up into 820. This does look heavy to me. We'll see if we continue to dump or not. Okay, you know what? Honestly, I feel like I'm kind of chilling right now because I have had one trade. That one little scalp, I feel like is allowing me to be a little bit more patient. Like I'm not really feeling as like required to like bust into something because I've already I took a very quick trade. I don't even actually know how long it was. Felt fast, 43 seconds. And I was quick on the exit. And I feel like that allowed me to mentally feel more relaxed. Nice. Dumpage. Dumpage is such a funny word. Trying to, go trade the bottom of the range. 730 opening range low. Nice dumps across the board. ES looked way price action structure wise looked way weaker than the NAS did. But the NAS looked weak when you really peeked into the 22 range. Kind of just like that rolly top. I'm gonna get short at volume here. Short one. Nice vibe. I thought we were gonna get a little bit more rejection at volume here. I'm gonna be just a little bit patient still, but I'm gonna keep it tight. We are ripping back up. It's doing that stutter rip. So we took the short at volume. Kind of hanging out at cycle 800 right now. 25 points down on this trade. Got a minute and 50 seconds left on this candle to see what happens. We had a nice flush. Nice buy up. We'll see if we close heavy or not. Just some intra-candle volatility. I'm looking at 720 as the exit. One, that's the magical 20s. Two, yesterday's point of control. Three, VWAP. Four, it's kind of the volume fill here. We'll see. Probably will realistically kill it before that, but you never know. We get a nice quick move to the downside. Might play out. All right, trading at 740, 750. We got the prior low at 733 that we need to crack. The ES is cracking it right now. If we push all the way back up, I'm killing this trade. Just take the money and run. But looking for that 720 fill. Getting close. Getting very close. 7 points away. I'm going to go ahead and just take that off. Y'all know me. It gets like 5. If it gets sub 10 points from my fill and starts bouncing around a little bit, I get nervous. I'll be the first to say it. I get nervous. I wanted to just get my trade, get out of the way, be done with it. That was a nice trade though. I think took a little bit of heat on that trade. I thought we were going to reject volume a little quicker. We ended up floating to 800 psych level. So I think I took like what 25 points of drawdown, netted about 50 or 40 points of. So I took about 25 points of drawdown, netted about 40 points. That brings us to $1,062 on the day. That's 1,000 bomb. Like I said yesterday, on this Top Step account, it's about getting to that 9K goal, right? So it's about these like base hits and just being consistent, you know? So we were to start the day, $4,456 of profit. So now after the 1,056, we're at math, $5,500 of profit. So we're just kind of cranking on through in a nice little Bitcoin short right now. Up 14 racks on that. It's a good day. How big's my Bitcoin position? 30 Bitcoin short, 33 short. I got in at 31,875. So it's up 13.8 right now. Looking for bottom of the range to get traded. This is daily, so not that range. I'm looking for bottom of this range to get traded. Somewhere right around here. Anywhere from 270 to 31. It's looking nice though. I really want to see us trade like 31. I just don't know if that's going to happen or not. Nice new lows on the NAS, new lows on the ES. Everything is heavy. We got 580 for yesterday's value area low and the overnight lows. So 580 cracks. And I think we're looking at 480. Like we're gonna get a nice little lick run if we can crack 350 on Bitcoin. We're gonna have a nice little lick run. Should just cascade a little bit, I think. Target 31. These prior wicks on the 1 hour. Okay, let's see if it can get the nice flush. There's 350. Looking for 230 to sweep into 131. This is a do or die moment in my opinion on this trade. We either run this and it's fairly aggressive into these prior wicks at 31, or we bounce here. Like this is do or die. We've hit this area 3 times now. But how many times can we touch it and bounce off it before it cracks, right? So we've had 1, 2, 3, each one being a nice move to the upside. We're coming down again for number 4. So like, are we gonna bounce again? That's what we're here to see. And there's the sweep hard. 31.22 is what I have getting out at, right above these wicks. I'm taking the trade-off. I might get filled. Y'all know me. I might get filled right now. Like I would have gotten filled all the way, but it got close, man. And that's the exact move that I was looking for. Love this trade, honestly. Love this trade.